Welcome to The List. This video is to help new List clients self-register for a List account. Once you have a List account, you can access and purchase documents via the List and create and save ListMap bookmarks to your List account. We'll start from the List homepage, www.thelist.tas.gov.au. Click on the Login button in the top right of the screen. Now click on the Create Account button. A registration page will appear. Enter your first and last name and your email address. Your email address will become your List username. Enter the security check code shown in the grey box and read and agree to the terms and conditions. Then click on Create User. An email will be sent to the email address you provided. Click on the link in the email to confirm your account. This will take you to a verification page. Enter a password of your choice and retype it in the box below. Then click Verify. A message will appear advising that the verification process has been completed successfully. Click on Login at the top of the page and enter your username and password. Click Login. You'll be redirected to the List homepage and are now set up and ready to use the List with your newly created List account. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you found it useful, please like it below and subscribe to our channel using the link in the top right of your screen. There are more videos and help available on the Land Information System Tasmania YouTube channel and the List website, or you can contact the Client Services Help Desk by phone or email.